How to make money with Shopee affiliate program. Hi everyone, want to know how to turn your passion for online shopping into a steady stream of income? You are in the right place. Today I'm going to share everything you need to know about the Shopee affiliate program. Stick around because this could be your next big opportunity to earn money online. Shopee Affiliate Program is a fantastic way for anyone to earn commissions by promoting products on Shopee. Whether you are a blogger, a social media influencer, or just someone who loves sharing great deals with friends and family, this program offers you a chance to make money with minimal effort and no upfront costs. Before we dive deeper, let me explain what affiliate marketing is. It's a type of performance-based marketing where you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Basically, you promote products, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid. It's a win-win situation. Here is how the Shopee affiliate program works. Sign up. First, head over to the Shopee affiliate website and sign up. It's a quick and easy process. Then we have choose products. Once you're approved, you can browse through Shopee's extensive range of products and select the ones you want to promote. You can choose items that you use and love or those that are trending. Then we have share links, generate your unique affiliate links for these products and share them on your blog, social media, or any platform where you have an audience. Finally, we have earn commissions. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The more you promote, the more you can earn. Before showing how to sign up and get started, let's know some benefits of joining the Shopee affiliate program. So why should you join the Shopee affiliate program? Here are some amazing benefits. There is no upfront investment, you don't need to spend any money to start, it's completely free to join. Then we have wide range of products. With millions of products available, you have endless options to promote. Then we have flexible and convenient. You can work from anywhere and at any time, whether you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a full-time worker. You can fit this into schedule. Finally, we have high earning potential. The more you promote, the higher your earning. Some affiliates make a significant income just by sharing a link. So the first step to becoming a Shopee affiliate is signing up for the program. Here's how you can do it. First, you have to visit Shopee affiliate program website. You open your browser and go to the Shopee affiliate program page. Then you click over here, enter. If you have accounts, you can log in. If you don't, you can just click over here, sign up. And you fill out the registration form with your personal details such as your name, email address, and contact information. After this step, you will agree to the terms and make sure to read and agree to Shopee's terms and conditions. After filling in all the required information, submit your application or dive into the homepage of Shopee. So this is it. Then you log in to find your account. So what we have to do right now is navigate through the various product categories available on Shopee. You can use filters to narrow down your options based on popularity, price, or other criteria. Then choose the products that you want to promote. It's a good idea to pick items that align with your interests or niche to make your promotions more authentic and effective. Like here I'm looking at the latest electronics. I found a popular smartwatch watch that has great reviews and fits perfectly with my Teach blog's theme. Now that you have chosen the products, it's time to create your affiliate links and start sharing them. Then in your Shopee affiliate dashboard, select the products you want to promote and generate a unique affiliate link for it. Then use this link to promote the product on your preferred platforms. You can include it in your blogs, posts, social media posts, YouTube videos, descriptions, email newsletters, and more. Create compelling content. When sharing your links, create engaging and informative content that encourages your audience to click on the link and make a purchase. So here is an example of how to share affiliate links. First, we have blog post by writing a detailed review of the products and include the affiliate link within the post. Then we have Instagram story, share a quick unboxing video on Instagram story with a swipe up link to the product. Then we have YouTube video using review video and included the affiliate link in the video description and mentioned it in the video. So to maximize your success with the Shopee affiliate program, here are a few tips. First, we have promote products you love, focus on products that you are genuinely passionate about. Your enthusiasm will come through and make your recommendation more convincing. Then we have leverage social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok to reach a wider audience, engage with your followers, and create content that showcases the products effectively. Then we have engaging content. Whether it's a blog post, a video review, or an Instagram story, make sure your content is engaging and informative. Show your audience why they need this product in their lives. Then we have optimized your links. Use tracking tools to monitor which links are performing best. This allows you to focus on your efforts on the most effective strategies. After that, here we have the homepage. You have welcome to Shopee, preferred online shopping platform. Shopee offers a seamless, fun, and reliable shopping experience to millions of users worldwide. Choose a country or origins. Here we have various countries. Choose the one you want. Choosing Thailand, for example. So that's all you need to know to get started with the Shopee affiliate program. By following these steps and tips, you can turn your passion for sharing great finds into a rewarding income stream. So ready to get started earning? Click the link below to sign up for the Shopee affiliate program and begin your journey to passive income today. Don't wait, get started now and see how easy it easy it is to make money online. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful and see you again in the next video.